What you eat can definitely affect your stress levels. Some foods are called comfort foods, and part of that is a reward reaction in your brain when you actually visualize the food that you're expecting to reduce your stress. Other foods like oatmeal actually have nutrients in them which lead to a calming effect in your brain. Blood sugar levels rise, and as they go to the brain, they affect certain nerve signals that can reduce your stress. Other foods like coffee can actually increase your mood and improve it, increase your attention, but too much coffee can also increase your stress levels. So what you eat can definitely affect how you feel. If you skip a meal or if you eat just carbohydrate for a meal, your blood sugar levels can fall, leading to increased stress. So what you eat can affect your stress levels.